Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to find your Temu referral code. So the very first thing that you need to do is open your application and then make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, just go to your profile at the bottom, click on that, and then go to settings, which is at the top right, this icon right here. And then once you're here, you will see this button where it says share this app. So you have to click on that and tap on copy link. Now, once you share this link to your friends and paste it, you will see your unique referral code at the very end, which is after the slash, this one. So at 6NB, so that is your referral code. And once someone opens the application or downloaded the application using your referral code, you will be receiving some of the commission earned on that link. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!